All right, hello everyone. I want to discuss the problem, the discussion problem for this week, and I think the second prompt is to find the value of the variable, which makes the rational expression undefined or equal to zero. So you basically have the choice to do one or the other. Okay, you don't have to do both. But anyway, so I just want to kind of do both. I want to know the value that makes a rational expression undefined or when the rational expression is equal to zero. Okay, so the first one, right, is basically you disregard the numerator and all you want to know is what is the denominator or the expression in the denominator equal to zero. That's what I want to know. Okay, so that's basically because I want to know the value that's going to make this rational expression undefined. So you go from there. We know it's a trinomial here. So here I just want to make sure that for the first one, you disregard the numerator. Okay, so you have that. And then when you factor this, you should get x and x for x squared, and then factors of 10 where the sum is equal to 7. Then we know it's going to be positive 2 and positive 5. And then we set all factors equal to 0, or x plus 2 equal to 0, or x plus 5 equal to 0. And so we end up with x equal to negative 5 and also negative 2. Okay, so these two values make the rational expression undefined. Okay, all right, so that's part one. Part two is basically find the value of the variable. Sorry about that noise, that's my phone. Find the value of the variable that makes the rational expression equal to 0, meaning that you have to set 2x plus 3 over x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0, and then find what the variable x is equal to. Okay, all right, so how do we do this? And anytime we are faced with some type of denominator, what do? We find the least common denominator, and then we multiply both sides by that least common denominator, right? And the least common denominator, since there's only one denominator, is this, right? So that means I'm going to multiply this part, the left side, I'm sorry, by x squared plus 7x plus 10, and then the right side by the same thing, x squared plus 7x plus 10. Right, so what happened in this case is that on the left side, I'm clearing out the fraction. The two trinomials cancel out. There's 1 over 1. And then 0 times anything is equal to 0. So at the end, well, on the next line, you're going to have 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, you solve for x here, and you get 2x plus 3. I'm sorry. 2x is equal to negative 3. Divide by 2. And you get x equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay? So one way or the other, right? So you're asked to do one or the other. Some of you have done both, which is fine. But if you're doing both, you got to make sure that you do them correctly. Okay? So that's it.